Hidden House, a unique residence in the heart of Rosario, Argentina, designed by Estudio STGO, covering an area of 290 square meters and completed in 2023. This house is a response to the need for privacy in a dense urban environment without compromising comfort and natural lighting. The core concept of Hidden House stems from the desire to have a home with a central courtyard without moving to the outskirts. The house is situated on an unconventional plot with a narrow facade of just 3.40 meters, which then widens towards the center. Previously, this site housed a neighborhood mechanic workshop, now transformed into a living space that serves as a retreat from the city's hustle and bustle, creating a private oasis amidst the surrounding high-rise buildings. Facing the challenge of a neighborhood dominated by tall residential buildings, Hidden House is meticulously designed to ensure optimal natural lighting and ventilation. To maintain privacy, the house features a fully opaque gate, creating the illusion that it is not a residential building. However, upon entering the semi-covered courtyard, which functions as a garage with greenery, this perception gradually fades, offering a smooth transition from exterior to interior. To optimize space and natural lighting, the house incorporates a central core connecting all 3 floors. This structure allows for efficient spatial distribution while fostering a sense of spaciousness and cohesion throughout the home. The spaces are designed with flexibility in mind, ensuring maximum utilization without sacrificing aesthetics or functionality. On the ground floor, the kitchen serves as the heart of the home, acting as a central hub with flexible boundaries extending to the gallery and backyard. Large glass windows allow abundant natural light to flood the space while establishing a strong visual connection between indoor and outdoor areas. The gallery not only extends the living area but also serves as a transition space, enhancing the overall living experience. The first floor is dedicated to private areas, featuring 3 bedrooms connected by a well-lit central hallway. Each bedroom is designed for maximum comfort, with carefully placed openings that balance light, ventilation, and privacy. The top floor offers a versatile, multifunctional space that can be used as a home office, additional family room, or recreational area. The main advantage of this floor is its ability to harness sunlight during winter when the ground floor garden remains shaded due to the high surrounding walls. The rooftop terraces play a crucial role in the home's design, providing residents with fresh air and direct sunlight. One of the most intriguing elements of Hidden House is the front terrace, which features an opening facing the street. This design choice fosters interaction between the residence and its surroundings, creating a contrast between the enclosed block that seeks concealment and the openness that encourages engagement with the neighborhood. This approach achieves a balance between privacy and connection with the community. Hidden House is a prime example of how architecture can address urban land constraints with smart and innovative design solutions. With efficient spatial planning, strategic use of natural light, and a balance between privacy and openness, this residence serves as an inspiration for those seeking comfortable city living without losing touch with nature. Through the fusion of functionality, aesthetics, and environmental integration, Hidden House demonstrates that even in densely populated urban areas, a high-quality living experience is possible.